Okay, so I'm gonna unbox this multifunctional base. It's for a refrigerator or washing machine, but I use it for a refrigerator. So just unbox this one. I think it's from here, but it's quite hard to open this box. Carefully. Oh, oh, we got this what is this name? I think it's a screwdriver. Oh my goodness, it's my mistake. This is a solid metal, square metal. Hey, Lolin, you guys, what's up? It's Lolin. Hope you can see it, Lolin. Okay, we got four. This is so solid, bro. Like, this is so hell solid, bro. We got four for this, and then this one. How? I never think that I will receive these two tools, because it's a bit. Oh my goodness! It's like a. Oh, what a good product. Yeah, think I will try later. And this is what it's called. I forgot how to call this one. How to. And this is, I believe this is for the yeah. I read it later, because it's just a just an unboxing video. So thanks for watching.